Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can press the side button. Once you wake up the screen, make sure that you're on the home page, the current watch face, and then press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you like to use and tap on it to apply it like this. You can also change the watch face through settings, so you can wake up the screen by pressing the side button, press the side button again to open the menu, scroll down, tap on the settings icon, and then tap on watch faces. And here again you can scroll through the list, tap on the watch face to select it and apply it. Another way to change the watch face is to do it through the phone app. So we can bring our phone right here. Of course, your watch needs to be paired with the phone via the Xiaomi Wear application. Or I believe now it's called Xiaomi Fitness. So, or Mi Fitness. Anyway, Xiaomi Wear right here. Open the app. In the app, tap on Profile, and you should see the Redmi Watch 2 Lite right here. That means that the devices are paired. Now tap on Watch Faces, and here we can select the watch face by tapping on it and then tapping on Apply, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.